What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back again to Tech Karan YouTube channel. This one is Syberia OS, which is based on Android version 11, is now available for Redmi Note 8 users. If you're a Redmi Note 8 user, you can install this build. The build is honestly quite smooth, but honestly the battery backup is not that much good. In this video, I'm going to share with you which are the things you get here, how's the performance, how's the battery backup, banking apps are working or not, and which are those features you get in Syberia OS. A lot more things in this video. Stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end because the video is gonna quite interesting. I'm not gonna share with you the installation process. For the installation process, you can see my previous video for Redmi Note 8 users like Pixel Experience Android version 11. The installation process is quite simple. You just need to install that file and you can watch my previous video if you have any issues. Now let's get started. Let's find out which other things you get here. Guys, this one is the build which I'm gonna talk about today, which is called as Syberia OS. You can see the Android version is 11 as expected, and in Android version 11, Syberia OS comes with some cool kind of features. Which are those features? We're gonna talk about those features later on. It comes with the latest November security patch with the latest Perf Plus kernel, updated Perf Plus kernel here, and according to this kernel, the performance is honestly quite great. I didn't got any lags. It comes with very cool kind of performance, multitasking, and everything else. Let me show you a thing. Here you will see the screenshot option, clear all option, and share option. This is the thing which you don't get in all the custom rooms, and this room does not come with the Google Apps pre-installed, which means you will not get the Pixel launcher pre-installed. This is quick step launcher. We have the clear all button option available, which is working fine. This is kind of a really interesting. You can also easily multitask, and multitasking is quite good. And talking about the things which you get here, if you install the Google app, you will see this quick settings like that kind of thing. And this one is the latest OnePlus widget which I've installed on my device. This one is a quick step launcher. Let me show you by going to home settings, which includes some little bit of things, include the show search bar, also includes the app locker in this option. So this is kind of really interesting. If you need app lock on your device in your app drawer, then this might be a helpful thing for you. This might be a positive thing for you. Notification gestures and some little bit of things available here and there. Talking about the things which you get here, we have almost same kind of quick settings panel here. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Everything seems to be working. Didn't got any major issue available here, and then screen recording is working too. And now let's talk about the battery backup. First of all, active drain is almost 10% per hour with idle drain of more than 2.5% per hour. So honestly, the battery backup is not that much good. There are a lot of other ROMs available which are great in the terms of battery backup. There is an example available for you called Octavi OS, which is quite great. Even the Pixel Experience battery backup is better than this. But if you talk about the performance, honestly, the Pixel Experience is less than this build because Syberia OS is just great in the terms of performance. I'll show you my whole battery stats very soon by going to settings, but until then, let's take a look at some other things. Let's talk about the safety net status, if it is passed or not. If you go for the safety net status, in my case, if you choose a run test, you'll see the safety net status will be passed. But if it is passed by default or not, I have no idea regarding that because I've not tried that. But after applying that module, then you'll be able to pass your safety net without any issue. How to apply that module and how to choose this one, I have a video on that one, that how you can pass the safety net if the safety net is not passing for you. So you can simply browse and check out that video so that you'll get an idea. Now let's take a look at some other things. As safety net status is passed, Protect certification is also good here, which means you'll be able to use the banking apps. You can see there's a GPay installed, which means I'm using the banking apps, Paytm, etc. Everything seems to be working. There are not any major issues, working fine here. Almost all the streaming apps like the Disney Hotstar and also the Prime Video was working fine too. You can use other apps also if you want to. In my case, I'm using the Super Freeze app. If you don't know about Super Freeze app, I have a video on this one too. Make sure to check that. It will help you to save your battery much more. Let's take a look in the settings and some things which you get here. Talking about the battery stats, my screen on time is 6 hours and 13 minutes from 95%. You can see my whole battery stats here, battery usage. So 6 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time without gaming from 95 to 19% is honestly not that much good. It's good, but it's not that much good. There are a lot of other custom ROMs available better than this build in the terms of performance. In the terms of battery backup, sorry, performance is up to the mark actually. Things which you get here: display, sound, storage, etc. kind of the same thing. Also, if you go over the security, we have the face lock option available here, which means this is kind of something interesting for you. App lock is not available here, but on the launcher we have the hidden and protected apps feature available, so that might be interesting for you. But other things kind of the same, like also include the Xiaomi parts, which includes only Mi sound enhancer but doesn't include the USB fast charge, which must be included. But no worries, this is not kind of a big thing or big issue. Talking about the things, Syberia settings, which includes some cool kind of features. System includes some features, general tweaks, which has the thing screen of animation, USB configuration which you can adjust, and volume steps. Also includes the animation related customizations, buttons, notification, dialer related customizations available here, and also included the gaming mode. If you are a gamer, then this might be a helpful thing for you. Panels also include some status bar, notification, and navigation bar customizations. Lock screen also includes some little bit of customizations available. The gestures include the swipe to screenshot, which is working fine here. I'll be able to click the swipe to screenshot option. This is kind of interesting, and other things include only about Syberia team. These are much customizations which you get here. Installation, as I previously told you, you can simply install this build without any issues. We have a video on that one too. Make sure to check that. If you have any queries, you can comment below. Now this is all. Thanks for watching and goodbye.